Check out that view. A little bit hazy after a warm day, but still very nice. All the towns along the coast here were extremely hard hit by the tsunami on March 11, 2011. Over 10% of the population died in several of the towns. Hard to imagine, but the waves were at least up to 38 meters high in certain spots where the terrain, the topography of the ocean floor near the coast concentrated the force of the tsunami to build up very high wave heights, washing over the tops of buildings that were 4 floors or more high. While I've been in this area for the last few weeks, probably noticed maybe 3, 4, 5 little earthquakes, enough to rattle some of the things in my house, but nothing significant. Several of the towns here were also impacted hard in 1960 by the 9.5 magnitude earthquake that occurred near Valdivia in Chile in South America. Traveled across the entire Pacific Ocean from east to west, actually from southeast to northwest, killing quite a lot of people along the coast here in Japan. Also killing, I think 59 people, was it? In Hilo, in Hawaii, where I will be in about 2-3 weeks. But now there's warning systems, so when a massive earthquake happens far away, of course people know long before the waves arrive. But in 2011 here, the earthquake happened just offshore here, so there was very little time, just literally a few minutes or less for people to get to high ground. And most of the population along the coast live so close to sea level that they have to, in many areas, travel a good distance to be able to get high enough up to be safe. A lot of the reconstruction that's happened now has happened in elevated areas where they've also piled up rock and dirt to elevate certain areas to make them sufficiently high to be safe from likely future tsunamis. so that they could rebuild in some of the locations that were devastated, while probably not being at risk of the same occurring in the future unless a much larger tsunami occurs.